forward with the news. The government aims to increase Covaxin output to 10 crore doses per month. The central stated its aim to increase Bharat Biotech Covaxin output from 1.5 crore to 10 crore doses per month. When three public sectors undertaking manufacturing the vaccine, overall output of vaccine increased to 13 crore doses per month, according to NITI Aayog member Dr. B.K. Paul.
The COVID-19 vaccination for transgenders has started in Assam. The first dose of COVID-19 vaccination for transgenders started in Assam from 14th May with support of state's health department.
Lockdown imposed in West Bengal. All the government and the private sector to be remain closed except for the emergency and the essential services till 30th of May. The state have also imposed night curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m.
UP government has decided to extend the coronavirus curfew till May 24. Earlier, government has imposed the curfew till 17th May, but keeping in view that the curfew has controlled the spread of virus, CM Yogi Adityanath on 16th May had a meeting with the cabinet and has decided to extend the curfew till May 24.
UIDAI has declared that Aadhaar card is not necessary for COVID-19 treatment or vaccination. A person shall not be denied essential services due to the issues regarding Aadhaar card.
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Adityanath Yogi has approved a subsidy of 25% or 10 crore to encourage the manufacture of medical equipment and also to provide beds in the hospital. This step has been taken due to rise in the COVID-19 cases and also to provide proper essentials.
The COVID-19 test positivity rate in Chhattisgarh has dropped to 12%. With the improvement in the COVID-19 situation in Chhattisgarh, the test positivity rate has decreased to 12%. On a daily basis, 60 to 70,000 samples are being checked and the number of tests conducted in the state has risen.
In the coming week, Europe will send 25 more oxygen generators to India. Yes, you heard it right. 25 more oxygen generators will be sent to India from Europe, improving the country's extreme medical oxygen supply crisis. The European Union had already sent 12 oxygen plants, 1,700 ventilators and 1,500 oxygen concentrators to India, essentially fulfilling its promise of assistance.
Growing unrest between Israel and Palestine brings in US envoy. US envoy Mr. Hedi Ahmed has reportedly landed in Tel Aviv in order to have de-escalation talks with Israel, Palestine and UN officials to achieve sustainable peace. Last week, violence between Israel and Palestine were at an all-time high since 2014 as Israel carried out airstrikes at Gaza and Palestine fired rockets towards Israel in Simont.
Iranian minister cancels visit after Austria raises Israeli flag. The foreign minister of Iran cancelled his visit to Austria after the government of Austria raises Israeli flag to show solidarity.
The price of petrol and diesel increased again in the country. The price of petrol per litre has reached 92.58 rupees and the price of diesel per litre has reached 83.22 rupees. This is the 9th time in 16 days when the price of petrol and diesel has reached so much.
Former Pakistan pacer Mohammad Amir has applied for British citizenship. If he gets, he no longer belong to Pakistan and will be eligible to play in IPL. Last year at the age of 28, he has taken retirement from all forms of international cricket due to some issue with PCB board and the team management. Now he is only playing the franchise cricket.
Congress MP Rajiv Sattav dies after recovering from COVID-19. 46 years old Sattav was tested positive for COVID last month and had been admitted in Jahangir Hospital for last 23 days. He had recovered from COVID but continued to have pneumonia, said CT Congress spokesperson Ramesh Iyer.
17 districts of Karnataka face rapid increase in the number of corona cases, where PM Modi decided to meet virtually and express the concern to the respective district deputy commissioner and collectors. He had also issued the direction in speeding up the testing process.
That's all for today. For more updates, keep watching Inspiria TV.